Discord.
Yo, what is up, guys? Yes, James Chargle's here. Nah. Alright, guys. We are currently trolling in ranked. That was like my worst intro I've ever done in my life. Are you Blitz?
Oh no,
I'm gonna.
face the good.
I don't use this guy.
I mean ranked, I mean blanked, I mean you're ranked.
So y'all can see we're in ranked on our main accounts trolling. Well, he's on his Smurf.
Yeah,
but I'm my main account. I'm gold 2 on this account, and we're just messing around. Honestly, I could really care less, because I mean, at the end, when you really do think about it, it's just a video game. I mean, who really cares overall? But yeah, I'd rather be having fun at Friday night than like whining over being sweaty. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have to drone. Kind of dumb that ranked has droning in it, I think. I think they should remove that.
Well, that does.
I don't know.
Makes sense for a newcomer.
Yeah.
Whoa. Upstairs.
Whoa. I don't know what I did.
Concrete floor, maybe.
Yeah, I will.
That'd be a good spot.
I might go up to like the garage and try to put it through the reinforcement.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So credited not to laugh saying that shit. I might actually fuse him from above, yeah. It's like you never get kills in gold. I know, because he's gonna have like a cabbie. Or they don't even have a oh, what the hell? Rook's roaming right now. He's in like daycare. They're not daycare, it's kitchen. I got PMM with muzzle brake, so. Whoa, y'all saw that?
Got the cam.
Hey, me spawn cam. Meow. Got the cam. Nice kill, dude. Watch out for that. Oh, he's over there now. Okay.
Is he up top?
But from where? Volk, they're all roaming. There's a Volk, another person that went back downstairs. Bunch of people, dude. Well, guys, thank you for tuning into this week's video. I'm kidding.
What does that sound?
Let's see what Blitz can do here. Oh, nice. Goo mine. Could be in closer to your left. Oh, no, that's a cave.
I don't think so, boys.
Oh my god, dude. You're a legend.
Hey,
no. No.
Knife so early?
Well, that's going on
What is
YouTube
this
at
guy?
least. Yeah, what the hell? Dude, like, oh my god. Okay, I'm going in game chat.
Kicking him.
Clutcher kick. Clutcher dick. That's a head.
That's
You're
a
literally looking at a head. Oh my god.
Oh, nice. You got her. Got her.
Yeah. It's going on YouTube, by the way. Jeremy's cool.
Awesome's gonna be up top.
Oh, nice.
Dang, that's up top.
Damn, that's a rip and a half. Jeremy, you got a mic, dude? It would really spice up for my content if you had a mic.
Yike.
Let's see what his level is. If I can guess your level, you have to turn on your mic. Alright. I'm gonna guess your level 132. Let's see. Jeremy's cool. Oh, 132, guys! Oh my god. Dude, no way. Jeremy, you better go quick and get that mic of yours. Alright, we're gonna be playing now. Maverick with his AR with... I didn't get to take off my sight. Alright, well, we'll be hip fire only. No, but just Maverick AR. Little piece. We're gonna be seeing what we can get done. I'm gonna be trying to drop penises with this flamethrower. Because I saw Varsity do it and it looked kind of funny. And then King George did it on Here for Base, so it kind of looked kind of funny. So I kind of want to do it.
Dang. This is Here for Base we're playing on. So.
If I ever end up like making merch for this channel, it's just gonna be like lagging. It's just gonna be like lag merch because I lag so much. Eggs, yeah.
Do you
guys remember like Lego City commercials? Like the Lego City Pack commercials? Yeah. Shows like some like person with like a cat in a tree or something. Hey! Some fucking like 4-year-olds building a fucking fire station. To like save the goddamn
cat roaming on the roof.
They have a cat roaming on the roof, okay.
Yeah, and it's down at the Twitch stream.
I have kitty I have kitty pills. I can't. Alright guys, we have Maverick with his M4. AR-15, I mean, not M4. I'm a literal slow man here. I don't know what Lion's doing. Alright, we're gonna be repelling. And repelling.
We're gonna be repelling, guys.
Already out of ammo. This thing holds 11 bullets. Nice job, Lion with the clutch or kick. I hit a rook. No, I didn't, guys. I'm absolute dog shite. Hey, I got one. I downed that guy! I downed that guy and then Ash just stole it.
This guy hit by impacts and got put down to 25.
Alright guys, this is a rush. I have a diffuser? Okay, I'm gonna plant. Planting, planting. Easy claps. It's almost like just too easy, bro. Wait, I have to show my penis. I have to reload. That does not look like a penis at all. Why are we losing teammates? We almost just lost that, actually.
Yeah, I know, I got shot in the head by some...
Oh, yeah. Yo, that is not...
Thank you, Ash. I think we're shout out on the YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Everyone add Gager and Smoke Chief Gager on Xbox and Nintendo Switch.
Nintendo Switch.
Watch him live on Mixer and streams with Gager.
Watch him live on Pornhub Live. Alright, next challenge here. Hang on, camo. Really dumb camo. Where is it? There you are.
Elephant.
I don't even know what that is. I just went to the very bottom of my camo just to grab some piece. It's probably some common. Actually, kind of looks kind of cool though. Maybe they'll give me team
Actually,
kills.
can you take it off?
Oh yeah, sure. Spawns in, fucking kills myself with my own Twitch drone. It's not even possible. Does 1 damage.
Yeah, but like,
I don't even like make the round like long enough. And also, doesn't it like? Is it? Oh yeah, it is unlimited charging though. Maybe you can if there's like a mod you can get on PC somehow.
It is.
Like going on like some super sus website and their kitchen and downloading some like really dumb mod.
What the heck?
Another kitsch, bitch, Mitch, snitch.
They went upstairs. Yeah, I went upstairs.
I hit Mosey before he could spot in my ass. I hit him again. I missed him with the last shot. He cannot hit my drone though, because he's a cocker. And
Down to 98.
Yep, it's at 98 HP, guys. My drone is somehow still alive. If Mosey's watching this, fuck you. He got me! What a I'm not gonna say there's a mistake because I don't want to get demonetized, even though I'm not even monetized. Look at this nice shotty. I forgot to have revolver. God, fluff. Oh hell yeah, this thing's getting some fucking kills today, boys. Don't even fuck with me. I hit one. One of them's hit. It's too far for a down though. Wait, one's right outside the fucking drone hole here. If this actually works. I downed him. Let's go, baby. Easy. For the YouTube. Lucian's up on there. Yo, what the hell are you doing, dog? Get off that frickin' stove oven like you're my mom.
Oh,
I hit him. He hopped down. I got him.
Down. Oh, never mind.
I downed him, but it's okay. For the memes, boys. For the memes. As long as it's me and you getting all the kills.
Oh,
let's go. I'm getting armor. No, it's empty. I shot his armor instead. Let's rush him, boys. I hit him. I definitely hit him. Yep, he's at like 90.
Get that
Nice, let's
out
go.
of here.
Dude, I saw that, let's go. Easy claps.
Why is it a black screen? Why am I carrying?
Oh, I see it, but yeah. I'm in second though, I have 3 assists. I mean, to be fair, I should have 2 kills, but yeah. As long as just me and you getting all the kills, it's fine.
As no scoping analysis and injury assist. Oh shoot, back up and see a bonus. Oh, yeah.
What should this challenge be? Yes,
my
dude.
God.
You already know what it is.
There's no way you're gonna kill.
Varsity aced with this thing a couple videos ago.
He
did. He was on the new theme park, and it was on I think like an unranked or attached game, but yeah, he ranked and he aced with it.
So it takes a full mag for every single
It
person.
literally does.
Remember that 1v1 where they touching you? It took like 25 bullets to go down.
This thing's such a piece. But the one thing that I can do is knock out walls like you've never seen before, so that's gonna happen. I hope we're spawning in a good side. I already forgot where that was. Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, actually take that out. I'm gonna put my shirt here.
Alright, nice.
Actually, that's not the best.
Oh,
Yeah,
these
try it
actual
out.
enemies, man. I'm just gonna run upstairs and just start putting holes in all the hatches. Start damaging up all the floors so they can kind of see us from above. Perfect, nice lines of sight for the rooms for them. We even knock out all the windows, that way they don't really make any sound as they're coming in. Beauty. This thing runs out of ammo so fast, I gotta stop shooting. Perfect, I have a little shoddy though, that's my backup. Double shoddy, maestro, it never fails.
If you're gonna get just crapped on my grenade.
For sure. Look at you down there.
Yep.
Is there guys?
Oh, she was fast enough. Just go to run from that window.
Wait, hang on.
Oh, could he get the ace though?
I just domed that girl, you see that?
Yeah.
She just didn't die. Wait, what? My screen I was literally hitting her in the face.
Yeah.
For her, I just like looking the wrong way the whole time. No, not fucking kitchen, you dumbass. Okay. I don't know who the. I never know who to. I never. Sucks. Dude, if only, dude. Rude. Let's do it again.
Use his LMG sights.
I don't have enough time to do any of that. I'll do that one next round.
So,
I'll swipe the Gucci. I might mix match, so you can get your bitch back. You charge swoos. Woos. We're gonna look back on this video in like 10 years and be like, what the fuck were we doing? Like, we could have been fixing airsoft guns, shopping, educating ourselves, catching up on schoolwork, but no, we're down here fucking doing this shit. These guys are fast to reinforce this garage. I don't want that to happen again. So it's like low-key kind of made us lose.
yeah, for sure.
And by low-key, I mean high-key. Shotgun's a lot of fun though. Same, was my killing with the shotgun now. I mean, I actually was, but like, that's never gonna work.
We're gonna have to place. We're being detected. Enemy spawned.
Nig. Subscribe to me. Subscribe right now. Fucking beautiful. Where's the lime sauce? Alright, dude, you ready for this?
Dang, look at this guy over here.
Okay, I'm... I can knife her, I can still knife her. She's dead! She died.
Yeah, cause it's weird with the shotgun.
Hey, don't say nice to me. You died within like 0.2 seconds. Kidding, but...
You're like editing over like 2 seconds or something.
No, I said like you like nice one, but I was like, hey, don't be saying that to me. You died within like 0.2 seconds. Oh, well then go into a camera view. Never mind, it didn't matter. Such as is up here skirting, lagging. Look at how weird this map looks. Can you just take a moment just to look at it? This bitch is like, who lives here? Why is this house built like this? Like this little doorway to separate. Why is that not just open concept? Why is it not just a big open hall? Nice, that's scary. Yeah, no kidding. I don't really care about losing this game because like we just I don't really care about losing this game honestly because like we just won our last one, so it's just gonna put us like right back to where like we kind of were here already. So to me it really doesn't matter. If anything, we'll still gain a little bit of elo because we always I think earn like one more than we lose. So it's like one extra elo tonight.
Swallows.
No sight, no grip, no barrel, no camo, and then try to find the gayest charm that I have. Let's see here. Well, we'll put my silver.
No, I need to press no.
I put my I believe it's the white boy's silver. I put my white boy's silver charm on. Oh, I just got domed. These iron sets are kind of good. Reminds me of like Call of Duty too. Hopefully they don't see these. What the fuck? Hopefully they don't see these maestro KOs. That's so weird. Yeah, hopefully they don't see these things. I don't think you'll see them, right? Hang on, this is for the viewers. I want to make that my thumbnail, but I don't know if you can. That's actually kind of funny. You're gonna laugh at that when you see this video.
Throw it upstairs.
Did you throw it up, bro? Did I throw up? Yes, I did. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Halmers. Today, I'll be killing you and your family for free.
Free.
Dang. Only for the low application fee of $99.
Oh, push a small garage.
Enemy spotted. They're pushing. they're pushing. Wait, they're pushing in general? What the actual heck? So let's create a noob walk. Let's walk around ADS. I got it down. That's a kill. Nah, dude.
Ubisoft Club. just popped up and was shooting at that guy.
Nice ones. Alright, well. Good night, guys.